61 Ford Galaxy. Got the Chevelle, 67, 66 Chevelle.
This is the one they own.
I don't know what year. 1938 Willys. No, it can't be a 38. 1952. How you doing?
Sorry, mind your
No, you're all good. Look at the Biscayne. Wow. $1959. Chevy Bel Air. Haha. What we got? 1972 Panzera. Panzera. That's a Chevy Impala. Doesn't have a year on it. I'm gonna guess the 60s somewhere. Maybe you guys can help me out with that one. Always remember, if you like what I do, please like and subscribe. We're in St. Paul, Minnesota today. He's going somewhere. Don't know where. Alright, what do we got over here? Put a few hydraulics. It's a Chevy Nova 71. Oh my God. A Cadillac, I like the rims on it. That one right there. There's a Plymouth Green, what is it, a 60, 68? Can't read the rating on it. The Wisconsin car. Look at this custom caddy. Got 1967 Coupe de Ville.
I'm telling you, man, this dude, he got money.
I got the El Camino SS 1980. Chevy Caprice. Decked out in Lakers gear. Good day. We're in St. Paul, Minnesota at the Cinco de Mayo festival today. We got a 65 Impala. Let's start this off right. This is the first one of the year for me. Well, first one in Minnesota. If you like what you see, I always like. 1961 Impala.
You just want to see cars. Why are we just looking at cars?
Oh, look at the paint job on the Lincoln. It's a 68 Lincoln town car. Like the paint job on that caddy. This is a Chevy Nova. Got a lot of lowriders, a lot of hydraulics out here today. 71 Nova. We got that 2 days in a row there. Monte Carlo. Look at that. That's pretty. Oh, we got a lowrider. It's another Impala. Look at that. That's pretty.
I had all my keys and then
Oh, look at that interior. Got ourselves an El Camino. There's a 67 Caddy. Coupe de Ville. Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful paint job too.
watch out.
1996 Caddy. In the middle of it, so you gotta watch them. That's pretty. There's
Find the brown 65. Thought about it.
Oop, no, you're all good. Look at that. Hot Rod Shop. That's beautiful. I love that thing.
Get down on it. I'm gonna take a picture. Put your purse in. It's the vibe. Everything go together. He's in the pop the trunk.
There we go, Motorcycle Row. For you motorcycle enthusiasts. That's pretty sweet. Look at that, pretty in paint.